Another day, another problem. One of the things that you would have noticed if you're dealing with any of these IDEs, any of these code gen tools, is anytime you're trying to make a component with a list factor like this. I've got this financial literacy dictionary for children, and when it makes the function, it's going to add some sample data, and it might add two or three, maybe five, six if you're lucky, different things to the list. And that's it. So it's going to add the categories, and it adds the bare minimum. And what you might end up doing is get in this flow where you keep telling it to add more. So I think I managed to get it to add 21, but then sometimes it will add some and then delete others, add some, delete others, and you're just wasting your tokens, wasting your API credits, whatever it is. You're wasting time because you're risking it breaking things. So don't do that. Don't expect the IDE to complete the entire list of things that you need to do. Instead, head over to ChatGPT, copy and paste the code snippet that you've got. So I said, add 50 more examples and tell it what it is, to the Financial Literacy for Children dictionary, and keep the same format so I can replace the entire code. So hopefully it's given me the same thing that I've got in plus 50 more, and it's given it to me in the exact same format. So if I want to, I can just copy and paste, replacing this entire thing I've given it. It's usually quite good with that. Let me see. Yeah, so yeah, it's done it. Started with category. It's got existing entries. I hate when it does this because it's similar to what the other thing has done, where it truncates the terms, but it looks like it's still done it. So I've got savings, piggy bank, goal setting, emergency fund. And here we've got savings, goal settings, emergency fund, piggy bank. Well, yeah, I think that's it. I think it's got the same things. Needs versus wants, comparison shopping, spending category. Yeah, needs versus wants. Does it have spending? It's not just added 50. There's a total of, I think, 70. So it looks like it's done the thing. It understood because it had the code snippet to go by. So it looks like it went down, and then it will keep everything intact. So I'm replacing from this bracket semicolon and the category. So bracket semicolon should be fine. I shouldn't be breaking anything. But this just stops the IDE AI from breaking things itself. Okay, we're gonna see. I could have broken it. We're gonna see. I'm gonna head over to tools, financial dictionary. Yeah, it looks like it's added everything. Awesome. And all the categories are intact. Investing. Yeah, perfect. And of course, if you want to do more, you can go back to ChatGPT and say, I need more in the savings category. I need more in the spending category. So that's the best way to have your list components without letting the code gen completely destroy things. So I hope that you found that useful. If you did, drop a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be sharing more of my SAS worries or my code gen worries and my fixes.